Hi, my name's Richard Hazen and I'm going to be your instructor for the Weapons Storage Area Security Program. The purpose of this program is to get you familiar with the basics of weapons storage area security. This program is intended for personnel who have never worked inside a weapons storage area or WSA. Most people who work at an Air Force base may have seen the fence line for a WSA, but since it is a highly controlled area with restricted access, they simply drive by and don't give a second thought as to how it's secured. The first time you enter the WSA, it may seem quite intimidating. The goal of this program is to provide you with some insight of WSA security so you'll have an idea of what to expect, thereby reducing any nervousness you might have about working in a highly controlled area. This program has 5 modules with information discussing various aspects of WSA security. Module 6 provides you information on how to complete a project and then provides you the link to access the program test. The 5 modules you'll be reviewing are the purpose and design of the weapons storage area, securing the weapons storage area, entering and exiting the WSA, accessing facilities within the WSA, and responding to security violations. On the left hand of the website, you'll see a list of each module that needs to be completed. To access a module, simply click on the module name and you'll be taken to the page for that module. Each module is intended to be completed in order, as the information provided in later module builds upon the information provided in the earlier ones. At the beginning of each module, you'll be assigned a unit to read from the student handbook you were provided when you registered for the course. You will need to complete the reading assignment and answer any associated questions. Then review the media presentations located within the module and answer the discussion question. You will need to post your answer to the discussion question on the blog. Once you provide a response, I will review your answer to determine if you have grasped the concept of the module. Then I'll let you know whether or not you need to review the material again or if you can take the module quiz. I will not activate your access to the quiz until I am satisfied with the response you provided on the blog. To access the quiz, click on the link provided and enter your student ID and password. This information was also provided to you when you received your student handbook. Each module quiz has 10 questions. You must score a minimum of 70% in order to proceed to the next module. You will have 2 attempts to pass the quiz. If you are unable to pass the quiz, you will need to coordinate with me prior to accessing the next module. Once you've completed all 5 modules, you go to module 6 for the program test. But before you complete the program test, you'll have to complete the project that's assigned within module 6 as well. You will need to email a copy of your project to me at richardhazen1@gmail.com and I will review your project. Once I'm satisfied you understand the material, I will grant you access to the program test. Accessing the test is the same as accessing the quizzes. However, you have 20 questions on the test. You must score a minimum of 70% to pass the test. Unlike the quizzes where you had 2 attempts to pass, with the test you only have 1 attempt. If you do not pass, we will have to meet to determine how we are going to handle the situation. Now that you have an understanding of the program and the expected results, let's get started with the first module, Purpose and Design of the Weapons Storage Area. Enjoy!